Polly says, "Oh, Daisy, you're all dirty. Come on." Ga, 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 ga. "Wash your hands, Daisy. Wash your hands." Ga, 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 ga. Now here's the soap. "Wash your face, Daisy. Ga, ga, ga." Now here's my blue towel. "Dry your hands, Daisy. Dry your hands." Very good. "Hello, Mum." "Oh, Polly." Okay, everybody, now your turn. Listen and repeat. "Oh, Daisy." Come on. "Wash your hands. Wash your hands." Here's the soap. "Wash your face. Wash your face." Here's a blue towel. Blue towel. "Dry your hands. Dry your hands." And here's Mom. And Polly is all dirty. Mom says, "Oh, Polly." And I think Daisy goes, "Ha, ha, ha. Ga, 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 ga. Hee, 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 hee." So that's the end. Very good.